Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best 4K drone under $300 available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the DJI Mini 4K drone. Tired of shaky vacation footage ruining your best memories? I used phones and cheap drones, results felt unprofessional. Then I tried DJI Mini 4K, game changer. Weighs under 249 grams, often no registration needed. Cinematic 4K UHD with a 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Smooth, professional-looking shots even during fast movements, day or night. Reliable 10km video transmission keeps your footage connected. 31-minute flight time per battery. Optional 2 or 3 batteries. Handles level 5 winds, takes off up to 4,000 meters. One-tap takeoff and GPS return to home make flying easy. Quick shots like Helix, Droney, Rocket create cinematic clips automatically. Important: DJI Fly removed from Google Play. Download from DJI official website. Under 249G often exempt, but check local drone laws first. My travel videos improved overnight. Friends asked, Barda. At number 2 is the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone. One of the biggest advantages for me is that the Atom SE weighs under 249G, which means no FAA or remote ID registration is required in many regions. That alone makes it incredibly convenient for travel and spontaneous flights. The foldable design makes packing effortless, and I often find myself carrying it along just in case a good filming opportunity arises. Battery life is where the Fly More combo really shines. With 3 included batteries, I get up to a total of 93 minutes of flight time, which completely changes how I approach shooting. Instead of rushing to get shots before the battery runs out, I can take my time exploring angles and compositions. The camera quality exceeded my expectations. The Atom SE is equipped with a 130 CMOS Sony sensor, and it shows in the results. I was able to capture sharp 12mm photos and smooth 4K video at 30 FPS. At number 3 on our list is the Holy Stone HS440G drones. One of the biggest advantages of the HS440G is its weight. At under 250 grams, I didn't need to worry about FAA or remote ID registration, which instantly made flying more convenient and stress-free. The drone is palm-sized, foldable, and easy to slip into the included storage bag. I've taken it on road trips and hiking outings, and it barely takes up any space in my backpack. This level of portability makes it ideal for spontaneous flights and travel photography. The camera quality is where the HS440G really shines. It captures photos in true 4K resolution at 3840 x 2160, and the images look sharp, vibrant, and detailed, especially in good lighting. I was pleasantly surprised by the real-time 2K FPV video transmission, which remains stable and responsive even at longer distances, up to about 1,840 feet in my testing. Battery life is another strong point. With up to 23 minutes of flight time, I had plenty of time to experiment. Moving up at number 4 is the RELIDOL camera drone. One of the standout features for me was the 1080p HD camera, with its adjustable 80-degree lens. The camera delivered surprisingly clear footage for a drone in this category. I was able to capture wide-angle aerial shots, short videos, and even selfies using gesture controls. The FPV first-person view transmission through the app worked smoothly, allowing me to see real-time footage directly on my phone. I also found it useful for checking hard-to-reach spots like roof edges, which adds practical value beyond casual fun. Battery life is always a concern with drones, but this model exceeded my expectations. With 2 included batteries, I enjoyed up to 25 minutes of total flight time. This allowed me to practice, experiment with features, and capture footage without constantly worrying about recharging. The controller's built-in battery and included USB charging cables made charging simple and convenient. I also appreciated the low power alarm, which gave me plenty of warning before the battery ran out.
At number 5 is the Loiley 2K FPV Drone. The first thing that caught my attention was the 2K Ultra HD camera. I was pleasantly surprised by how crisp and detailed the photos and videos turned out. Whether I was capturing the sunset over a park or recording my family's weekend picnic, the images felt professional. One of my favorite things about the Loiley drone is how portable it is. When folded, it's only 5x3 was 2 inches, so it fits perfectly in my backpack or even my pocket. Weighing under 250 Gs, I didn't even have to worry about FAA registration, which is a huge plus. The drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving me almost 26 minutes of total flight time. This was more than enough for capturing multiple shots during a single outing. The batteries were easy to charge and swap, and the built-in overvoltage protection gave me peace of mind.